Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can use Vim to create a text file in terminal. So first you have to stay in the folder where you want to create the text file is. For example, currently I am in the root folder of my computer. Now I will go to my desktop and then I'm going to create my text file. To create the text file, firstly we have to run the command vim. We don't have to specify the text file name. We can provide that later. But if you want to provide that text file name and the extension here, you can say after the vim command, the file name and the extension, not txt or maybe something else like HTML or whatever. I'm going to say txt. Then if you run that, you can continue editing. Otherwise, if you press vim then enter, you will see this one. It shows some message to us. So now we are in the command mode. That means we can enter some command by saying colon and the command, whatever command here, to go into the insert mode. Otherwise, editing mode, we can press I in the keyboard. Now we are in the insert mode because this insert is showing below. We can insert some text now. I am going to say hello world. Okay, editing is done. Then I need to go out from this insert mode. For that we can press escape button in the keyboard, otherwise exit button. Then now we are in the command mode again. Now to save this file as a text file, we can say colon SAV or otherwise SAVE. We can use SAV, colon SAV. And after the space, we can provide the file name. I'm going to say my txt file.txt as the file name. Now we can enter. Now it's showing us this message, one line, and 12 this one be written. Let's go ahead and check our desktop. We got my txt file.txt there. Now I need to go out from this vim. To do that, we can enter colon WQ and then exclamation symbol in the command mode. If you press enter, you can exit. Let me go ahead and open the text file again. My txt file.txt. We can specify vim and the file name my txt file.txt. Alright, as we can see, when we provide already existing file name including its extension, we can receive its content to the terminal using the vim command. Okay, that's how it works. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.